Are you struggling to save money in Nigeria? Do you feel like your salary is too small to save even 10%, let alone 50%? Well, what if I told you it's possible to save half of your income, even on a low salary? In this video, I'll share 5 practical steps to help you save 50% of your salary, no matter how much you earn. Let's get started. The first step to saving 50% of your salary is to know where your money is going. Most people spend without realizing how much they waste on unnecessary things. Start by tracking every single expense for 1 month. Use a budgeting app like Spendy or Money Lover, or simply write it down in a notebook. At the end of the month, review your spending habits. You'll be shocked at how much you can cut back. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. A good rule of thumb is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for savings, yes, we're aiming high. 30% for needs like rent, food, and transportation. 20% for wants like entertainment and shopping. One of the easiest ways to save is to automate it. Set up a standing order with your bank to transfer 50% of your salary to a savings account as soon as you get paid. This way, you won't even be tempted to spend it. If 50% feels too high, start with 20% and gradually increase it. The key is to make saving a habit. Let's be honest, we all spend money on things we don't really need. Maybe it's that Netflix subscription you barely use, or those impulse buys at the mall. Take a hard look at your expenses and identify what you can live without. Cancel unused subscriptions, avoid buying things on credit, and focus on your priorities. Remember, every naira saved brings you closer to your goal. If cutting expenses isn't enough, it's time to increase your income. Look for side hustles that fit your skills and schedule. For example, you can freelance, sell products online, or teach a skill you're good at. Even an extra 20,000 Nigerian nairas a month can make a huge difference. The more you earn, the easier it becomes to save 50% of your salary. Saving 50% of your salary requires discipline and consistency. Set clear financial goals, like saving for a house, starting a business, or building an emergency fund. Track your progress monthly and celebrate small wins. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you save and invest. Saving 50% of your salary in Nigeria is not easy, but it's definitely possible with the right mindset and strategies. Start today, and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, follow, like and share for more tips.